Were those scratches there before?
Oh no, she's escaped! I'll go outside, get in my car, and then call the control room to track her.
Or don't go outside and just call them from here.
All right, I'll do that. Lowry, I need you to track the Indominus.
She's still in the habitat.
Okay, she's still in there. We just can't see her for some reason.
Sounds like camouflage.
Oh, nuts.
She's still in the paddock! Look, go through the small door! She can't fit through!
Oh, nuts. Oh, nuts.
Zoos have been doing this for ages! Give me the controls, you're gonna wreck. Watch out for the...
Ew!
Oh, sick! Nice going, bro. Now I can't even see.
Making it worse.
This never would have happened if you just let me
Well, that didn't work at all.
I think that Jeep's gonna need more than just a new battery. Okay, I'm gonna aid you now.
We really do put safety first here.
We're hunting you. Yeah, nothing you say will make us briefly take your side. Yeah.
Hey, you know what? I think we should team up and eat more humans. What do you think?
Well, that makes things different then, doesn't it? You're very persuasive. Where'd you get your education?
Something's wrong. They are communicating.
Who cares? Just shoot her!
Great job, everyone. We killed the beast.
Now, what was the plan to get the raptors back in their cages?
Oh, they won't go back to their cages. I told you a field test was a bad idea. In fact, you might want to start running for your lives right now.
He left us. He left us.
We're free, suckers!
Oh, that's bad.
I told her those shoes were ridiculous.